How was dinner, Evan?
Good.
Good. What did you serve?
I serve pasta.
Pasta. Did Elmo eat all his pasta?
Yeah.
Did Elmo like it?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
I put them in the bucket.
In the bucket? Is that the dishwasher? Are you gonna have dessert?
Yeah, I have dessert now.
What are you gonna serve your animals for dessert?
It's popsicles. Popsicles.
Oh, popsicles. They'll love that. Does Bunny like popsicles?
Yeah,
What about Elmo?
I'm gonna make them too.
Oh.
I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher. I got them in the dishwasher.
You gonna dump them in the dishwasher? Great. All right, say bye-bye.